This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make live sketches. First, understand that live sketching is about capturing the essence of a moment quickly, often within a few minutes. It's a fantastic way to sharpen your observational skills and develop a more spontaneous drawing style. We'll cover everything from selecting your basic tools to advanced techniques for capturing dynamic scenes. Get ready to transform your artistic approach and bring your drawings to life with speed and precision. For live sketching, simplicity is key. You'll need just a few essential items: a compact sketchbook, ideally 5 by 7 inches or smaller, a soft graphite pencil like a 2B or 4B, and a kneaded eraser. Find a spot where you feel relaxed and can observe your subject without interruption. Make sure your tools are within arm's reach, allowing you to begin drawing instantly when inspiration strikes. This minimal setup helps you focus purely on observation and execution. To create dynamic live sketches, begin with gesture drawing. This involves capturing the subject's pose and movement in about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Don't worry about perfection. Aim for the flow and energy. Use continuous lines to define the main forms, letting your eye guide your hand. Concentrate on the overall impression and proportions rather than getting bogged down in tiny details. This approach helps you convey vitality and spontaneity in your artwork. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering live sketching. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to drawing from life, whether it's people, objects, or landscapes. After each session, take a moment to review your work. What went well? What could be improved? Don't be afraid to experiment with new subjects or even different drawing mediums. Embrace every sketch as a learning opportunity, and you'll see remarkable progress in your ability to capture the world around you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.